Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to get live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to set a wallpaper as a live wallpaper on your iPhone, so how you can set live wallpaper on iPhone 26, iOS 26. So for this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to wallpapers, and here you have to click on add new wallpaper, and after that you will find a live photo option here. But here you have to make sure that you have a live wallpaper on your iPhone. So if you want to get the live wallpaper, there is an option available that you can simply use a video to get a live wallpaper. So how you can get that live wallpaper, because in TikTok many wallpapers are available like live wallpaper. So here you can simply search for that live wallpaper, and here you can simply search for that. And if you find any video which has a live wallpaper, then you can simply set it as live wallpaper. But how you can set it, for this you have to simply click on that share button, and after that you have to simply swipe to the right, and you will find it as a live photo. So after that you can simply select it, and your live photo will be saved. And after that, what you can do now is you can go to settings again, and this time you have to open wallpaper again, and you have to click on new wallpaper, and you have to click on live photo, and that live photo will be available as your live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26, and you can simply set it as live wallpaper. So in this way you can simply get that live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.